Hi everybody, welcome to Machine Blog.
Groundbreaking ChipMax 484 VR mounted on a Volvo truck, revolutionizing wood chipping with its unparalleled power and efficiency. Boasting a staggering 765 horsepower engine, this beast delivers a colossal capacity of up to 140 tons per hour, ensuring maximum productivity for operators. Its 6X wheel drive Volvo truck platform, coupled with a crane reaching up to 11 meters, offers unrivaled mobility and accessibility, even in the most confined spaces. As one of the largest truck-mounted chippers globally, the CBI ChipMax 484 VR sets the standard for high-quality wood chip production. Say goodbye to cumbersome trailers. This powerhouse allows users to drive straight to wood piles for seamless operation, with two rotor options catering to varying chip sizes. From premium fuel chips to consistent microchips, versatility meets performance in this unparalleled machine.
The URACO Predator Shredder, equipped with a powerful Caterpillar C15 six-cylinder turbo engine, stands as a formidable solution for land clearing tasks. Its hydraulic stump splitter efficiently transforms tree stumps into valuable biomass, contributing to sustainable land management practices. With its shredder, reducer functionality, and hook lifting system, it tackles stumps with ease, maximizing productivity. Featuring a radio remote control and magnetic tape, operators can manage operations with precision and safety from a distance. The long hydraulic discharge conveyor ensures seamless removal of shredded material, enhancing efficiency on the job site. Moreover, the hydraulic tunnel facilitates smooth processing, minimizing downtime and maximizing throughput. By shredding stumps to regenerate soil, the URACO Predator Shredder not only clears land, but also contributes to environmental sustainability. It turns what was once considered waste into a valuable resource, aligning with modern principles of circular economy and conservation. In the realm of land management machinery, the URACO Predator Shredder stands out as a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly solution for biomass production and land regeneration.
Moorbark HT1684 Predator, a formidable force in the realm of stump shredding and biomass processing. This beast of a machine, equipped with a Caterpillar C12 six-cylinder turbo engine, stands as a testament to efficiency and power in the forestry industry. With its robust design and innovative features, it's more than just a mere shredder, it's a game changer. At the heart of the Moorbark Predator Shredder lies its shredder reducer mechanism. Capable of tearing through stumps with unparalleled ease, coupled with its hook lift system, the Predator ensures swift and seamless operation, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity on site clearances. But what truly sets the Moorbark HT1684 Predator apart is its versatility and advanced technology. With radio remote control functionality, operators can command the machine from a safe distance, optimizing safety and precision in operation. The inclusion of magnetic tape further enhances efficiency by capturing ferrous materials during shredding, ensuring a cleaner end product. In addition to its shredding prowess, the Predator boasts a long hydraulic discharge conveyor, facilitating the efficient transport of shredded biomass for further processing or disposal. Its hydraulic bunker and wheel set further streamline operations, allowing for easy maneuverability and storage of shredded material. Paired with the Kingwell-tracked Moorbark HT1684 Predator is the Daewoo Doosan 255LC solar forestry excavator, equipped with a hydraulic stump splitter. Together, these machines form a formidable team, capable of tackling even the most challenging site clearances with ease.
Comtech Crambo stands tall as the pinnacle of root stump shredders, boasting unparalleled performance and efficiency in the realm of wood and green waste management. Powered by a formidable 600 HP Cat engine, this beast of a machine effortlessly tackles even the most stubborn stumps with its 134 teeth and counter-rotating drums, leaving no challenge unbeaten. With a staggering 9,100 hours of proven reliability under its belt, the Crambo is a testament to durability and longevity. Its track undercarriage ensures stability and mobility across varied terrains, making it a versatile companion in any environment. Equipped with a 5.5-meter discharge conveyor featuring a magnet drum, the Crambo ensures efficient sorting and separation of materials, enhancing operational efficiency. The armored shredding rotors, adorned with sickle teeth, tear through wood and organic waste materials with precision and speed, while the 250mm screens provide customizable shredding options to meet specific requirements. Remote control functionality empowers operators with flexibility and safety, allowing them to maneuver the machine with ease from a distance. Meanwhile, the auto lube system ensures optimal performance and maintenance, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Despite its immense power and capabilities, the Crambo remains in good condition and sees regular use, a testament to its reliability and effectiveness in the field. Whether tackling tree stumps, branches, or other organic waste materials, the Comtech Crambo proves itself as the ultimate solution for efficient and effective shredding.